In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach file in Outlook. When replying, start by opening Outlook on the web. If you land on the calendar, switch over to Mail so you're in your inbox view. From there, open your inbox and choose the message you want to respond to. This ensures you're attaching the file directly to the ongoing conversation, keeping everything neatly in one thread. Click Reply to open the reply editor. You'll see a formatting toolbar at the top of your message. Look for the Insert option. This is where Outlook groups tools for adding content to your email. Click Insert, then choose Attach File. This tells Outlook you're about to add a document, image, or another type of file to your reply. When prompted, select Browse this computer. That opens your file picker so you can navigate to the exact folder where your file is stored. Locate the file you want to include, click it once to highlight it, and choose Open. Outlook will begin uploading the file and attach it to your reply. Give it a moment if the file is larger. You'll know it's ready when you see the file name appear in the Compose window. If you change your mind or pick the wrong file, remove it by selecting the small delete or X icon next to the attachment and try again. Before sending, double-check your message. The reply option targets the original sender, while reply all includes everyone on the thread. Make sure the right people are included and add a short note describing the attachment so recipients know what to expect. Clear file names also help your recipients find the right document quickly. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will deliver your reply along with the attachment to the selected recipients. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the Insert button right away, expand the toolbar or look for an ellipsis to reveal more options. Keep in mind that very large files may take longer to upload, and Outlook on the web has size limits. If your file is too big, consider compressing it or using cloud storage. If you need to attach multiple files, repeat the attach step for each one and watch for the progress indicator to ensure every file finishes uploading before you send. That's it. You've replied to an email in Outlook and attached a file the right way, keeping your conversation organized and your documents easy to access.